What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. If you saw in the last video, I was telling you that I was going to be doing a trip up where I take the Baja bug. That's what I'm doing today. What I have is, right now I'm on the trails that I normally ride on, which you can see behind me there. These are the trails I'm comfortable with. I've driven on these numerous times. Hopefully on this one I'm going farther to places where I have not ridden before. Although my GPS unit is acting up on me, and the trail that I wanted to do today, I plotted on here and I can't get this to work right now. It's acting like the battery's not charging on it or something, so I keep, every time I stop, kind of charging it back up, unplugging it, plugging it back in, hoping that it will kind of start working, because sometimes it'll start up and it'll kind of like lock up. So I'll keep trying. If it doesn't come online, I don't know if I'll go as far as I'm looking to, but either way, since I'm out here, I'm going to do the normal where I set up some cameras, try to get some cool camera angles, and just kind of show you guys some of the trails so that you get a better idea of where I take these things riding. So let's do it. All right, guys. So we just Baja'd up to the tip of the main road that we were looking for, that will take us to the reservoir that we're looking for. However, the GPS is not working, so I'm not sure how that's going to go. It was a pretty long trek from here down the dirt to where we were looking to go, and there was quite a few side roads to there. So I think we're just going to head that way and kind of see what we see and just kind of feel it out. Maybe we'll make it all the way, maybe we won't, I'm not sure. However, on our trail coming up here, this is the bumpiest portion of this whole ride, and we were hitting it, I think, pretty aggressively. I think the most aggressively I've hit it with the Baja Bug so far. So we just stopped, had a couple of snacks, did a little walkthrough of the Bug, checking things out, seeing if we're leaking any fluids, if any bolts look like they're loosening up, anything like that. Everything looks good. We did have some good action coming up there. I'm hoping that the cameras caught some of that so I can show it to you. I'll check that when I get back home. But for now, we're just going to start heading down the gravel road and see what we can see. Alright guys, I am back. I made it back home. Didn't really have any mechanical issues. I did have that issue with the GPS that I was telling you about. I don't know what that was all about. The trip actually went really well. I definitely was able to beat on the Baja harder than I have before, which was a lot of fun. So I still want to do that one other time. I'll get my GPS figured out. I would like to actually do that trip again, but this time make it all the way to the this little reservoir that I was trying to go to. So I'll probably figure out what's up with my GPS and then plan this trip again. But either way, I just wanted to bring you guys along as much as I could, give you a little idea of where I'll be taking the Baja and what kind of driving I do. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope to see you on the next video. Take care.